Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. First off, I would like to thank everyone who watches my videos, who likes, who subscribes, who comments. It is appreciated. I thank you very much. Today I'm doing a video on a bag that I had been looking for a while. Of course, you know I have my Dooney and Bourke satchels. All of them are in Florentine. I wanted one in pebble leather. I went onto the Dooney website and they offer the satchel in the all-weather leather style or satchel. So that's what I picked up. It's called the All-Weather Leather 3.0 collection. And this is what I picked up. Now to me, this bag is beautiful. This is not the only all-weather leather bag that I have from Dooney. I have a bucket bag. Color is red, and I did do a video. I'll try to link it to this one. But I believe they may have made some improvements to it, or to the leather. Like I said, it's called the 3.0 collection, so I think they may have made some changes. The color on this is green. Absolutely love. Of course, you have all the things that the Dooney satchel is known for, which is all of the belting, the whip stitch. Let me come closer. The whip stitch on the handles, the beautiful leathers, of course the tassels, and these tassels are leather all the way through. They're not on the other side or on the back side, they are not suede. The brushed gold toned hardware, and then it comes with this hang tag of the Dooney duck, and then on the back it's clean. This looks like this is brass, I want to say. And then I believe, was there another hang tag on this? I thought maybe there was another hang tag on this. I love the logo on this. I like the fact that it's all leather and it matches the belting. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. Of course, it has the feet. And like I said, the color is green. It's more of a olive color. What I want to call it, olive color. I'm sure there's another name or word that I could use to describe the color of the bag, but to me this is a neutral. So I really like it, and I can wear this in all types of weather. Where I live, there are 4 seasons, so of course we get the rain, snow, sleet, ice, everything. And I just wanted to be able to wear or have a handbag that I could use in the weather, not have to worry about it, not have to worry about the trim getting messed up or the hardware being messed up or tarnished or anything like that. And I've never had any of those types of problems with any of the Dooney bags that I have purchased. So now, believe it or not, I believe this is a little bit smaller than, it's a little bit bigger than the Mini, but smaller. Yeah, it's actually smaller than the Mini, because the Mini is 11 3/4 long, and this one is 11.5 inches long. Yeah. So it is a little smaller than the Mini, and then of course it would be smaller than the small, and then of course smaller than the largest satchel that Dooney offers. But it would be larger than the Nano and larger than the Micro. So, and I do have the Mini and I have the Micro, so that I can give you a comparison as to the size. But first, let me give you the measurements. It is 8 inches high, 11.5 inches long, long, and then 5 3/4 inches wide or deep. So you have really good capacity on this. The handle drop is 5 inches. And of course, I believe that's with this part of the bag, or the top of the bag hanging down. And the strap it does come with the crossbody strap, and it is 19 inches long, and the bag weighs 2 pounds 14 ounces. So really, really beautiful. I haven't carried it yet because I wanted to show it on my channel, and then go ahead and carry it. As soon as I finish this video, I am switching bags. So let me show you a comparison of, let's see, what do I have here? Here is the Mini. This is my Florentine Mini in the color the Crew. And let me just stand back so that I can get it completely in the frame. But I can tell that it is just slightly smaller. It's only like a quarter inch smaller than the Mini. And then I believe the Mini is, let's see, Mini. It's 5.5 inches wide or deep, and this one is 5 3/4. So this one actually, the all-weather leather bag, actually has more capacity than the Mini. So I believe the Mini's longer, but the capacity on the all-weather leather satchel is higher or more. So this is what they look like side by side. It's basically the same bag. It's just slightly smaller in certain areas. That's all. But it's basically the same features. And then I also have the micro. And this is my denim micro. And you can see how much smaller the micro is to this one. But there you go. So let me show you. Well, first let's go through the bag. Let me give you a close-up of the bag. This is the front. Like I said, here's the hang tag, all the belting, leather pull. This is the side. This is the back. This is the other side. And then the bottom. Really, really beautiful. And then for anyone who wants the number, there it is. There we go. And then I'll leave all the information within the description section. And let's see, let me show you the inside. Now, like I said, I haven't worn it yet. So, oh, and the other thing I forgot to mention is the interior. The flap, it's usually, on the satchels, it's usually suede. On this one, it is leather, which is really nice. And I still have all the stuffing in here. I'm just taking that out. And it was a lot. So, this is the interior. It's done with that linen interior. Really sturdy. This is not going to tear. This is not this is to me, this is absolutely beautiful. Usually the satchels come in the red cotton lining, and with the all-weather, the 3.0 collection for the all-weather leather, it's in this type of lining. So you have a zip pocket and a slip pocket, on the back wall. And then on the front wall, you just have a slip pocket. You do not have the vertical pockets on with this bag, but that slip pocket is pretty wide. It's almost the length of the bag. So it's a case for my iPhone 11, as you all know, and that easily fits in there. You still have room to get other items in there. And then the other slip pocket, I believe, will this, yep. Now wait a minute, because I have papers in here. Like, I keep all the original papers in the bag so that if I need it, I don't lose it. That's the other slip pocket below the zipper pocket, and that also fits the case for my iPhone 11. Plus, you still have a lot of room to get other items in here, like a mask. You know, you can even put a small hand sanitizer in there if you want to. But that's a nice pocket. It's nice and generous. I believe that's where they may have made improvements, because I know my other all-weather leather bag, the pockets are, I think they're pretty short, and they're nowhere near as wide as these, or deep as these. So this is nice. But this is what I wanted to show you. This area around the collar, I believe this is all leather. I can't imagine that they would use anything other than leather for these bags. Like for the 12 Days of Dooney, this collection was not discounted. It was not included in the sale, or any sales before or after, because I bought it before the 12 Days of Dooney, and I believe they were having a sale at the time, and this collection was not included in that sale. But I love this. This is really pretty, and I love the color. I wish they would do a bag like, I mean, I guess to me it's darker than the natural. It's almost like a caramel. I wish they would do like a bag in this color. That's really, really beautiful. So let me show you what fits. And I'm trying not to put the bag down on my desk, because I know in my last video, that's all you heard. The feet, the metal feet of the bag just hitting the top of the desk. And when I listened to the video, when I played back the video, that's all I heard. I was like, oh my God. And I was irritated, so I know you guys were irritated, so I'm gonna try not to do that. So today I am carrying my Cassie, my Coach Cassie, and this is the color Oxblood. I love this bag. I've been carrying it for about, 3 weeks now? Great bag, great bag. Gets all my stuff in there. You know, here's my top handle, here's my crossbody. Really great bag, and again, it's pebble leather, so it's gonna hold up to everything. Love it. So that is what I am carrying. So let me show you what fits. And I think I'm going to start with, let me see if I can bring it over here. There we go. There we go. Now let's see, this is my large Dooney and Bourke Carrington pouch. And I know a lot of people do not like the openings for the satchels, especially the smaller ones, but I was easily able to get that in the bag with this opening. And here is my medium Dooney and Bourke satchel, Dooney and Bourke medium Carrington, and I can easily get that in. Now remember, this is 5 3/4 deep, so we have a lot of capacity on this bag. I'm trying to put it down carefully so that you don't hear, or at least I don't hear it. Here is my Dooney and Bourke large zip around wallet, color Clementine. And that also fits in there. There are three pretty large pieces in there. And the large Carrington pouch has items in there. Does a pretty good job with, holding a lot of items. So there you go. And let me show you how it looks on me. Now, what I need to do, because like I said, I haven't carried it. What I need to do is, and this could have been an unboxing, but as you all know, I just can't do those. You know, trying to get all that wrapping off, that I just don't have the patience for that. So I always get most of the wrapping off before I start the video, and I do it that way. So basically, it's really an unboxing, but honestly, it's a reveal. So let me just bring this up. I could have left it down so that you could see how it looks. Sorry. There we go. How it looks on the crook of the arm. Really plenty of room to go all the way back, at least on my arm, to go all the way back to my elbow. It's a really nice bag. And then this is not the type of strap where you can take the middle section out and make it a short shoulder. It is one type of strap, and for those who would like to know, there is another piece, an extra piece to hold to keep this part of the strap from flapping out, so that's really nice. And of course the handles do fold down when you carry it as a crossbody. Let me bring it over here. This is how it looks. Now I have it on, looks like I'm gonna say there's 7 adjustments. And I have it on the 3rd from the bottom. I am 5'9", so I can make this either shorter or longer, but this length is pretty good. It's right where I like it. I can make it maybe just a little bit longer, and the strap is thicker and not as wide as it could be, but wide enough to the point where it's not going to dig in. So this is nice. This is nice. It should be a nice, comfortable carry. So let me know what you think. Let me know if any of you picked this one up or even saw it. And if you did pick it up, what color you picked up. But I think this is absolutely beautiful. This is definitely going to get me through the winter. It's probably going to, even through the winter, it's probably going to remain as beautiful as it looks now. So I am really, really happy with this purchase. It's not too big, it's not too small. It'll carry everything that I normally need every day, and then some. So this should be great for me. But let me know what you think. I thank you so much for watching, and let me bring the camera back up so that you can see me. Hopefully I got it right. Of course it's too high. Let me just bring it down a bit. Okay. I thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a great day and a great holiday. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.